Hello, my name's Louisa and I'm the CEO at the Federation of Community Legal Centres, and all around the state community legal centres have been walking for truth with the Yoorrook Commission as it presents its final reports to government. It's a really powerful way for us to show allyship with First Nations Australians and to really think about and reflect on the truths of the past and how we can use these to transform the future.
It's my responsibility as a First Nations person to contribute and be part of a movement, a really historic moment.
Yeah, so I'd like to provide solidarity for First Nations people, solidarity for justice and for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people.
It's important for me to be here today as an ally and to walk for truth and for justice. There's been so much systemic oppression of First Nations people over 191 years, as we've heard today, and it's really important to be an ally and walk alongside First Nations people in their strive for justice, for voice, truth and treaty.
I think it's time to listen and to really take in what the Aboriginal community have been able to tell us about their truth and their lived experience.
We helped run the Lodge for Legal service, which gave independent legal advice to First Nations peoples telling their story to the Commission. And Val's also provided wraparound support for those First Nations people who needed any help with other legal issues. And we're really proud to be here today to support the Walk for Truth.
See our role as an ally with our First Nations partners and communities. We want to be a culturally safe option for women and non-binary people who need access to justice.
So we work in solidarity, we sign on to everything that we can as a good ally just to make sure that everyone is equal before the law, everyone is treated fairly.
I hope people are hopeful. I hope people understand that truth and treaty will benefit all Victorians and all Australians.
I think hope is really the thing that I've taken away. I have learned so much as part of this walk. I'm continually learning and want to educate myself, my kids, my workplace as well about what we continue to do to not only walk for truth but also for treaty.
The message from this event is strength and resilience of my people and our people, First Nations peoples and Indigenous peoples globally. Strength that we have and still within us to be here right now to fight for change.
If there's one thing that I can encourage you to do, it's to read the reports now. The information, the stories, you will be moved and you will be inspired, and I can't encourage you enough to pick up the reports and use them as a platform for your own action going forwards.